Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the Pistil Stitch. For those of you who were following the Insta Stitch with Sue project, the Pistil Stitch is one of the first stitches I did when Sue was texting me with the stitches that she was going to use for the next day's circle. As Sue is removing all of those videos August 1st, I decided to start getting a jump on the stitches that I haven't done in-depth videos on previous to that Insta Stitch with Sue project. So by August 1st of 2020, that first Pistil Stitch video will come down and this one will replace it. Don't forget to hit the like button, click on the subscribe button and the little bell that pops up for email notifications. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comments section and grab something to stitch with. Grab a needle and some thread. If you have a Sue Spargo Spoke Easy, that will definitely make Pistil Stitch easier if you're working it in a circle. I demonstrate how to use that as well. Let's explore the Pistil Stitch. The Pistil Stitch. I realized I hadn't done an in-depth video just on the Pistil Stitch, so I'm going to go ahead and do one now showing the Pistil Stitch in a whole variety of different threads and thread weights. It's a number 8 weight EZM 36. I'm using that on a number 3 Milliners needle. A Milliners because a pistil is a wrap stitch. I'm going to place my needle in front of the thread. I'm going to wrap that twice, and then I'm going to insert my needle down, pulling it through while holding with my thumb the thread on the outside, so that when I pull the thread through, it doesn't get all wonky. And I'm going to come up into center, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold my thread in my case, with my right hand, put my needle in front of the thread, wrap it around once, twice, insert my needle down while pulling that thread taut. I'm holding it. Do you see? I'm holding it with my thumb and index finger as I pull this through. Go ahead and do the next one. Again, I'm going to hold that thread, my right hand, wrap it towards me once, twice, and then anchor my thread while holding thread taut in my right hand as I pull the needle through so that it creates that little knot at the end. These are great for what I'm doing right now, but it's also good for bugs, the antennae on a bug. It's great as just a little embellishing stitch on something like a leaf or a flower. There's lots of different ways this can be used. And I'm just going between these 8 spokes, around and around. And there it is. There's my Pistil Stitch using a number 8 variegated eleganza. I'll do this in a couple of different threads so you can see what it looks like. This is Silken Pearl on a number 3 Milliners. I've drawn chalk lines to help guide me. I'm going to come right out of this twisted fly stitch here, and I'm going to go up to the top here. I'm going to just work my way around. So there's the Pistil Stitch using Silken Pearl and Sue Spargo's Spoke Easy to draw my chalk lines. I'll do it in one more thicker thread so you can see what that looks like. Alright, I'm using cotton ribbon floss and a number 1 Milliners, and I'm going to do a Pistil Stitch coming out from this lilac colored circle right into the center of this petal. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap around twice and anchor it down here. Pull my needle through. Go to my next petal. So there it is in the ribbon floss. Alright, so I'm going to do the Pistil Stitch using shepherd silk. I'm still using my number 1 Milliners. And I'm going to come out from this circle. I think I'll do a Pistil Stitch going out to just beyond where this lilac circle applique ends. And one here. And then I'm going to come here. Here's the pistil in the cotton ribbon floss, shepherd silk, number 8 Eleganza. This is Silken Pearl Pistil Stitch. It can be used in a whole variety of ways, and there it is again with the Silken Pearl. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and if you haven't discovered the Pistil Stitch, that perhaps this encourages you to do so. It's really very versatile and can be used in a number of different ways. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on that bell for email notifications. I love hearing from you, so leave me comments in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description section where I leave links for all the different threads that I used in this demonstration. Until next time, here's to stitching together.